OFM Sport.
You know the captain for this week. Third province that you're going to captain, because you captained the Griquas before, the Pumas, and now the Cheetahs. So it's almost kind of nice that it's happening in this tournament where the other two South African teams or teams that you captained before. So as a player, how excited are you about this challenge of leading a team on the park?
Yeah, I'm very excited. Firstly, just for playing. I think it's a great tournament to play in. We're very excited about this, and obviously the away leg as well. Hopefully it can grow from strength to strength. And yeah, it's all about the performance. I want to play well and lead the team by example, and hopefully we can pull out a good performance on Wednesday.
And obviously a massive cliche in rugby, but that forward battle this week is going to be very important, especially with the Romanians being so physical up front, and with a couple of Fijians and that in their team. It's going to be a good test for you guys in the pack.
Yeah, definitely. We spoke about it today as well. Like Frana said now, we don't want to take. We want to dominate that advantage line. That's what rugby's about. So you're always going to have a tough day if you don't dominate that. And obviously as South Africans as well, that's what we pride ourselves on. So it's a non-negotiable for us.